And we are here now inside the Chinnaswamy Stadium where that event happened yesterday, and outside the Chinnaswamy Stadium the chaos erupted, stampedes happened. Inside this is a stadium with a capacity of about 35,000 people officially, that's what they say. Yesterday easily over that number had come in each and every stand that you see. There are medical teams that are posted, a large number of policemen are posted. Yesterday I'm told none of the stands had ample staff in terms of medical staff, in terms of police staff, in terms of security. That is generally there even on a match day, and there were people pouring in. There were no tickets, it was free for all, and while people were struggling to make their way inside, I'm told that easily about 50,000 or more people were packed into the stadium. As here at the main grounds, of course, it was the RCB team along with several politicians who made their way here. So while we look at this ground, which has of course hosted several historic matches in the last several years, yesterday of course outside these very grounds there was tragedy that struck. The Home Minister was here. He in fact went to multiple stands, spoke to the KSEA officials, spoke to the officials from the company DNA, which was of course managing the event, taken stock of the situation, also spoke to officials of the RCB as well. Right now a comprehensive report will be filed by the inquiry officer, the DC of Bengaluru, Mr. Jagdish, who is also expected to come to the KSEA now. He will speak to the police, the staff, the security who are here, try to take stock of the situation, because in 15 days a report needs to be filed. This is of course an official order of the government, so a lot of developments have been happening. But this very ground which is home to the RCB now, which was remembered for great knocks of Virat Kohli, of AB de Villiers, of Chris Gayle, now there is of course a black mark that has been attached to this with that stampede incident claiming 11 lives in the city of Bengaluru.